मातृत्व फाउंडेशन की तरफ से आप सबका स्वागत है अनकॉमन सेलिब्रिटी के और एक एपिसोड में। मातृत्व फाउंडेशन एक संस्था है जो दिल्ली में कार्यरत है और हम इंटीग्रल चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ सस्टेनेबल एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में भी काम कर रहे हैं। आज के हमारे जो अनकॉमन सेलिब्रिटी हैं वो एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड कामों में अपना योगदान दे रहे हैं और इनका नाम है श्री विनोद कर्तव्य जी। नाम में ही इनके कर्तव्य है और ये देश के प्रति कर्तव्य निभा रहे हैं अपना। ये डीआरडीओ में टेक्निकल ऑफिसर है। डीआरडीओ डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो कि गवर्नमेंट की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो डिफेंस सेक्टर में रिसर्च करती है। तो इस तरीके से ये अपने प्रोफेशन में देश की सेवा कर ही रहे हैं। उसके साथ साथ ये एक सिविक एक्टिविस्ट हैं जो बेंगलुरु में रहते हैं और ये एक बहुत ही यूनिक और अलग तरीके का काम कर रहे हैं। पेड़ों में लगे हुए रहते हैं या स्टेपल लगे हुए रहते हैं किसी कारण की वजह से, जैसे एडवर्टाइजमेंट या और भी कोई कारण होते हैं, वो कील और स्टेपल्स निकालने का काम ये कर रहे हैं। और विनोद जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है इस इंटरव्यू सेशन में और आपने अपना समय दिया, इसलिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो मैं पहला सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, ये काम जो आपने शुरू किया इतना अलग हटके काम है, इसके पीछे इंस्पिरेशन क्या है?
मैडम, पहले मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये अलग सा कोई काम नहीं है। बहुत ज्यादा लोग ये कर चुके होते हैं। मेरा उतना अलग सा कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ एक छोटा सा काम है कर रहा हूँ। वो है नेल्स फ्री ट्री बेंगलुरु। वो है, कन्नड़ा में बोलते हैं मले मुक्त मरा बेंगलुरु। उसका मतलब है हम हर पेड़ से नेल्स को निकाल रहा है, बस इतना छोटा ही से काम है। ये स्टार्टेड हुआ नवंबर 15 में। नवंबर 15, यही एक 2 महीने के पहले ही शुरू, वन ऑफ मंथ से पहले ही शुरू हुआ है। क्या है कि एक दिन नवंबर 15 में फोन से बात कर रहा था मेरे घर के पास। मैं तो संपंगी रामनगर एक एरिया है, वार्ड है, वहां पे रहता हूं मैं। वहां पे फोन करते वक्त क्या हुआ, मैं पेड़ को जस्ट आई लीन्ड ऑन टू ए ट्री। व्हेन आई लीन्ड ऑन टू ए ट्री, समथिंग पोक्ड ऑन टू माय हेड. So then I thought something poked, I got hurt. Then I just checked out what is happening. मुझे लगा कि वो नेल प्रोजेक्टेड था, ट्री से नेल प्रोजेक्टेड था। तब मुझे लगा अरे मुझे तो बहुत ज्यादा चोट लगा। तो मैं सोचा अगर मुझसे एक सिर्फ by touching the nail itself I am getting so much of hurt, then how much of the pain the tree might have happening because it has been inserted into the nail, into the tree. So I really got hurt. Because I got hurt, then I realized how much pain the tree might have happening. So then I thought, okay, let me take out this nail from this tree, because if a small something cut, what do you say, cut only na, for mullu they say, काट लगा तो वो क्या करेंगे, हम उसको अंदर रहने नहीं दे सकते, हम निकाल देंगे, वैसे ही निकाल देंगे. So like the same thing, even tree might have been paining it. Then I thought I just removed that. From there it's what it started, madam.
That is so much sensitive, sir, कि आपको चोट लगा तो you thought about the tree also कि उसके अंदर घुसा है nail, तो उसको कितना पेन हो रहा होगा. That is so much sensitive. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि ये हुआ एक इंस्पिरेशन कि यू गॉट हर्ट फ्रॉम द नेल एंड यू डिसाइडेड टू टेक आउट ऑल द नेल्स फ्रॉम द ट्री. इस इंस्पिरेशन के अलावा कोई साइंटिफिक रीजंस भी हैं कि नेल्स निकालना क्यों जरूरी है, या नेल्स कैसे डैमेज करते हैं ट्रीज को?
Yes, madam. See, like how we need to take minerals from our food. The same way the trees may be taking the minerals from the roots. Correct, na? So when we have put these nails, and for nails we also tie on not like what they say, that tanti they say, that metal wire we will hang it like this. So then what is happening is, you might have observed any of the trees, you might have observed that when it is tied, the tree starts growing, expanding. That tie becomes very much tight, like hanging the neck. It becomes for the tree. Then what happens? See, the circulation in a tree happens through the roots, and the circulation happens throughout all the bark. it happens between the bark, what they say, the surface, there is a bark, inside there is a stem. In between these two only, this circulation happens to the tree, whole tree.
Okay.
So when we tie all those things and when we put the nails, what is happening is the circulation doesn't happen. And when the circulation doesn't happen, above the knot, what we have tied or where the nails have been hit, the circulation doesn't happen. That becomes numb. That means the all the minerals doesn't happen. In Bangalore, we have there is a survey that around 20 to 30 people die in the road by falling the tree bark on the streets. Why this is happening is because when we tie these, the trees doesn't reach the minerals and they fall it on the streets while traveling. The passenger hits on the trails. Last 2 months before also we had one incident like that, and still the kid is in coma. So when we are removing that also. So this is one of the reasons which is affecting for the tree dying, as well as it is hurting humans itself also.
राइट मुझे एक चीज याद आ रही है, हम लोग छोटे थे तो हाथ में कभी कभी रबर बैंड लगा लेते थे और थोड़ी देर के बाद वो फिंगर पेन होने लगता था। वैसी चीज आप बता रहे हैं कि तार जब पेड़ को बांधेंगे, यस, ऊपर के पार्ट का सर्कुलेशन पेड़ को नहीं मिलता है, मिनरल्स नहीं मिल पाते हैं। यस, तो मुझे एक चीज पूछनी है कि हर तरीके की कील पेड़ को डैमेज करती है या कोई स्पेसिफिक मेटल या सिर्फ आयरन का या सिर्फ स्टील का या किस तरीके से? ये
The question, what you asked, the question is fantastic, madam. The thing is, nobody can answer because no one is tree. Right. We are not at all a tree. The only answer who can give for this question is trees. But what we believe is the tree has life. When there is life, there is always pain. How can we differentiate between the type of nail? How can we differentiate between the type of metal inserted into the body? Can we differentiate between our metal content inserted into our body, which can get hurt? If there is a golden nail, it doesn't get hurt. So the question is, you have to ask the tree. But when we have accepted it, tree as a living being, then it is, of course, you are going to hurt. Many people say there is iron content required for the tree and all. If any trees tell to them that expert that it requires iron from the nail, any expert can talk to the tree. No one has spoken. So we have accepted it has a life, then it is going, certainly it's going to hurt. Maybe some reasons they say that iron content is required. But again, how the iron content should be given to a tree? We also require acid content in our body. Citric acid we require. Do we drink the citric acid? No, we take it however the way it happens. So even for the trees, if the iron content is really required, it has to be through the roots, not by many critics are there. They say it requires iron content. I don't know which tree spoke to them and told that I need iron content through nail.
True.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं एकदम मजेदार चीजें बोल रहे हैं कि ये सोचने वाली बात है कि हम ह्यूमंस प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं और हम अपने हिसाब से हर लिविंग बीइंग को देख रहे हैं या अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से हर लिविंग बीइंग को ये चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा, हम अपना परसेप्शन ह्यूमंस का थोप लिटरली एनवायरनमेंट पे और अदर लिविंग बीइंग्स।
Take it as a granted because tree doesn't speak. If the token started speaking trees, I don't know, no humans would be on this earth.
Right. Sir, next question मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, apart from advertisement, what are the other reasons जिसकी वजह से trees के ऊपर nailing किया जाता है? Have you come across another different reason?
Madam, there are different issues with this angle. One thing is staple pins, other thing is nails, other thing is posters, and other thing is wires. You might have observed in your place everywhere. It is common. In an uncommon discussion, we have a common thing, which is wires, nails, all the trees in the India. What India we have. So these are the 4 things. One is wires, posters, nails, and staple pins. These are the things which we have observed. And different type of posters, like home loans. You will be whatever you require home loan, it will be on your tree. If you want any tuition classes where it is, it will be on the tree. If you want any Jyotishya to be known, it will be on the tree. And if you want where is the puncture shop, it will be on the tree. And if you want to work from home or work from mobile, it will be on the tree. So everything is on the tree.
Yes,
right.
That's true.
And sometimes people expressing their loves or some is
Yeah,
ex loves, why
yeah.
they'll draw heart.
We are really good artists.
Yes, right. Do you after the removing the nails, आप कोई treatment करते हैं trees के लिए कि further damage ना
Yes,
हो?
yeah, you have seen earlier days and all. Even now also, on the highways you might have seen that white color and red colors they would have painted for all the trees. Have you observed, na?
Yes.
That is for that. That is because termites. Because term is the tree. They put that. That's nothing but a chunna. They say chunna, na?
Yes.
Chunna, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We are also chunna and haldi.
Okay.
Two things we make, and we are putting up to the holes which we have taken.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, because when you remove the nail, there is a hole. If there is a hole, the termites, what do we say, the termites, that is going to enter in that hole and make it home, and that is going to destroy the tree.
Right.
So that is why you are putting that chunna and haldi mixed with that inside the holes. So even if that chunna and if it remains for some 15 to 20, 100 1 month, that becomes again the bark grows inside the hole also, then there won't be any termites infection.
Right.
So sir, जब आप nails निकाल देते हैं trees में से and you have given the treatment also, then how do you ensure कि उन trees में वापस कोई nailing नहीं कर रहा है?
Madam, first of all, our team name is Bengaluru Hudugaru, means Bengaluru Ki Yuva.
Okay.
So we have started this campaign Nails Free Tree Bengaluru, which we have also realized what we are doing is not at all a permanent solution. We remove nails, we remove posters. The next day there will be posters. That we know. We have spoken to our friends. See, this is what is going to happen. We remove, but still tomorrow it will be there. But the only thing we have told is we should never bog down. We should be continuing. The only logical end would be that from the administration.
Right.
That is the BBMP, Bengaluru, Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palika. Administration is there. We have a good administration in our city. I think we have also laws which is making these things illegal. We have Karnataka Disfigurement Act. Okay. We have Tree Protection Act. We have Bengaluru Municipal Act. As per all these three acts, it is illegal to put a poster.
Okay.
It's illegal to harm a tree. It is illegal to disfigure the city.
Okay.
As per these three acts, already we have a law which is saying it is illegal. So only thing is the administration has to take a legal action on them, which is fines and jail terms. We have the acts, only implementation. So our work is to put pressure on the administration. What we are doing is for putting up this pressure, we are plucking out the nails, we are taking the pictures, we are taking the videos, we are posting on the social media with an hashtag Nails Free Tree Bengaluru. Okay. And we are tagging our BBMP commissioner, Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palika commissioner. We are tagging each and every one in our social media from wherever we go, whichever we pictures, whoever does it, we can say them that please post on the social media and with an hashtag Nails Free Tree Bengaluru and tag especially the BBMP commissioner. Okay. So that he needs to take action. And we know we are only as a pressure building onto the administration, not logical.
Right. मैं वही आपको अभी पूछने ही वाली थी, यही क्वेश्चन कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से कैसे सपोर्ट मिलता है? How does the administration support you?
And glad that DP Commissioner, Mr. Manjunath Prasad, he has been the brand ambassador for our team. Last week itself, we asked him,
wow,
sir, we are Bengaluru Hudugaru, we are Bengaluru Yuva working for the Bengaluru. We want our BBMP Commissioner to be brand ambassador for our team. He readily accepted us and he put posted a question also. See, we have shortage of manpower. What you are doing is a tremendous job. If you are going to continue this for the whole city, I'll be your brand ambassador, is what the question was. We readily accepted wholeheartedly that we will work for our city and please be your ambassador. And we readily accepted it and we are working with together.
That's
great,
really
great.
एग्जैक्टली अगर कमिश्नर ही ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स है तो इससे ज्यादा अच्छा कुछ हो नहीं सकता.
Yeah. Unfortunately, today also we had one nails free tree campaign in one of our Bangalore ward called as Vasant Nagar. Our BBMP commissioner was to give the flagging off, but unfortunately, our commissioner has been affected with COVID-19 positive, so he couldn't today. And today also, luckily that today also, because earlier I was telling to Nidhi ma'am that right now we are in the campaign. I can show you how much nails we collected here. I don't know how can I show you this. Can you see the
It's
nails?
Yes,
visible,
yes, we can see. Oh my
is
God.
visible.
This
That's
is the
too
nails. Just today we have collected. This is the nails we have collected today.
बाप
That
रे.
is huge one.
Yeah. You know what and all will be there, so ma'am. It is very difficult to show you how much things. This is also an iron plate.
Okay. Yeah.
This is today we have collected and we have counted it. We have 488 nails from 80.
Okay.
बाप रे.
That's too much. That's too much.
Yeah.
तो ये सारे काम के लिए सर वॉलंटियर्स कितने हैं आपके पास, कैसे मैनेज करते हैं आप वॉलंटियर्स?
I should really appreciate my friends who have come with me. I should really name them because they are the ones. Without this, we couldn't have possible. The first friend of mine who came with me was Mr. Bharat. He's working in a Reliance company. One of the Sundays, I just called him. See, this is what is happening in our ward. In our ward, Sampangi Ramnagar, there are around 30 to 40 trees. I have observed some nails and posters. You please join me. He readily accepted it and he came with me. And first, we made it our ward nails free tree, and then some of my friends took the photographs and they posted on the social media. So from there it started this thing because we got a huge support from our friend circles in social media. So then they started coming back with me like Mr. Prajwal, Mr. Prem, Jagdish, Abhishek, Naveen. There is many number of friends. Now we are around 40 strong volunteers.
सर आपने जो लॉस के बारे में अभी बताया तो उसमें कोई ऐसा प्रोविजन भी है क्या कि जो ट्रीज पे कोई ऐसे पोस्टर्स लगाते हैं या ऐसे पकड़े गए तो उनको कुछ फाइन वगैरह होगा, ऐसा कोई प्रोविजन है लॉ में?
Yes, madam. Actually, they have fined. Our BBMP commissioner has, after our campaign started, they have caught red-handedly a person who was putting the posters, and then they have fined them. And importantly, many citizens have taken it themselves. They are taking the video clips when the person is hitting onto the trees. They have posted on the video, posted the video on the social media, tagging me. So people have got aware that this should not happen.
Great. Awareness is the key, I think. Awareness is the key. Yes.
So fine कितना होता है sir?
Madam, there is a provision from different laws. In one law it is 1,000 and 6 months jail term is also there.
Okay.
As per Tree Protection Act.
Okay.
You can see even small kids have started doing this. Not themselves, they are doing it. Small kids.
That's wonderful.
And he is our ex-commissioner, ex-BBM police commissioner, Mr. Bhaskar Rao sir. He has also joined us, and he is doing this with us.
That's great. So administration is getting involved slowly and gradually. Right?
So we have different celebrities also coming to us.
Okay, like?
We have a cyber inspector, Mr. Rajesh. We have one sandalwood actor called as Mr. Kishore, who has done that Veerappan acting. You may be knowing Veerappan, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. The South India, there was a movie called as Veerappan. In that regional hero acted. That person had come, and you might be knowing Mr. Annamalai, IPS.
Yes.
IPS officer Annamalai.
Yes. Yes.
He was called as the Singham, Karnataka Singham. Yeah, he has joined the campaign, and we have serial actors. I mean, they do it in serials. Ganesh Rao, and we have Mr. Vishwa, like Kapil Sharma, one person is there here also, like Vishwa. So they all
Okay.
have joined this campaign, and each and every campaign we will have one celebrity and one executive. They'll join us and they will launch the programs. So till now we have done at 12 wards of our Bengaluru city,
Okay.
and we are
Okay.
planning for all the 198 wards in coming weeks.
That's wonderful,
Great.
sir. Yeah. Yeah. Sir, just
And in
like,
fact, this has reached even Tamil Nadu also.
okay.
Okay.
In Tamil Nadu also it has reached. In Tamil Nadu they have picked it up. Yeah. I think even in Kolkata it has reached. In Kolkata also people have started doing it.
That's
They are tagging me,
wonderful.
and hopefully after this your interview even Delhi takes up, because Delhi is the most
Yes.
very much required city in India because of its congestion with respiration and the air pollution. This Delhi is the main city which is completely required of trees, and production of trees is very much important in Delhi.
True.
I hope after your show people will take up in Delhi too.
We are hoping
Right.
to, sir. We are hoping to.
And I am sure your Delhi trees also has these posters and names.
Yes, they have very much. They have very much.
Then I think citizens of Delhi, it's on upon you to protect your trees, to
True.
protect your lungs.
Actually,
Yes.
actually. Sir, advertisement is the main reason जिसकी वजह से trees पे nailing या staples किया जाता है. So, can you suggest us or talk about a little bit कि tree friendly या environment friendly ways क्या हो सकते हैं advertisement के लिए?
What is an alternative for anything in the 21st century? Technology.
Yes.
Social media is there. WhatsApp is there.
Mm-hmm.
Everything happens on a social media. Why not advertisement cannot be only on social media? Why you need to disfigure the city? Why we need to harm the trees?
But the question is that technology and the social media is still not in a reach of few people, और per se कुछ लोगों का budget भी उतना नहीं होता है
Sorry,
कि
I'm
वो
not able to hear, ma'am. Voice is breaking.
Okay, I'm repeating myself कि social media अभी भी काफी लोगों की reach में नहीं है और उतना budget भी लोगों का नहीं होता कि social media पर advertisement करें
Correct.
वो लोग, तो वो लोग मैनुअली पैम्पलेट्स हो गया, होर्डिंग्स हो गया, वो प्रेफर करते हैं अपने स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने के लिए, राइट?
Yeah, that is one of the biggest concern what we have to think of. Administration has to think of the small scale businessmen. For them, advertisement is out of reach in social media or in a TV or a paper. What they can do is you create a space. You create a space in your city. Administration has to create a space for advertising the small scale business doers, so that in any of the junction, one small junction, you put one notice board type where every week you allot every week for one person who you take a survey of who and all are doing the small scale businesses, and you provide a public space for them just for the advertisement purpose.
Right.
Right, that can be done.
आपने अभी बताया था सर कि नॉर्मल पीपल आर आल्सो कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, लोग वीडियोस लेके लोगों के जो पोस्टर लगा रहे हैं उनके वीडियोस लेके आपको भेजते हैं, तो और किस तरीके से आपको लगता है पीपल कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स बेटर एनवायरनमेंट, या फिर एनवायरनमेंट को अच्छा रखने के लिए लोग किस तरीके से, कॉमन पर्सन डेली बेसिस पे क्या कर सकता है?
और कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है मैडम. यू हैव टू प्लांट ट्रीज, बस उतना ही है. प्लांट ट्रीज, प्रोटेक्ट ट्रीज, प्लांट ट्रीज, प्रोटेक्ट ट्रीज. कहीं कैसे भी हो जाए.
That's
Right.
true,
Plant
sir.
trees, protect trees.
That's true, sir. Plant trees and protect trees. That's one of the aspect. Trees के अलावा, like in today's world, we are facing many types of pollution we are facing. That not
Yes.
on an industry level, on a domestic level also we are contributing to the pollution. So that was the question कि हम daily basis पर भी
Yeah.
क्या कर सकते हैं अपने environment को contribute करने के लिए?
I think our nation is also getting transformed. There are different big things that are there from the world organizations where they are telling to keep it 2% less than carbon and all. So big things are going on. Nations are taking it really serious. They are reducing their carbon footprints. every nation has been committed to the World Organization so that they'll be keeping it to 2%. I feel the number is carbon footprint, and even our nation is also undergoing the same path for reducing the carbon footprint. For already you might have observed now, e-vehicles have been come up. How from the pollution from the vehicles we are reducing it, and from the industries we are going for eco-friendly. What they say, that eco-friendly fuels are also going now. We have vehicles also, BS6, Bharat Stage 6 we are implemented already. From that angle also it is happening, and many in villages sides the trees firewood has been reduced. Mainly the agriculture, I think you might be the best person who has been affected from that agriculture, burning the agricultural crops. For Delhi, that is the main reason of for pollution, air pollution is burning of crops. I think some solution has been brought up by the government of Delhi also. You are making it as composting, that agricultural waste you are getting it compost. So that is also happening. As a common man, what we need to do is simple thing. One thing is we can use almost eco-friendly things, like now it is in Bangalore, it is mandatory if you are constructing a home, you have to have the solar panels. So electricity also we are reducing it. So there also we are going eco. And noise pollutions, of course, if e-vehicles has come, there is a reduction of noise levels. And industries, we are using exhaustible. We are reducing exhaustible fuels. We are going for renewable energy sources in industries. So every circle it is happening. The production of environment is happening. In future we will really do. There is nothing impossible from a human being. Wherever humans are there, they will survive for anything. Even in the coldest of the coldest Antarctica or Arctic, humans are there. The hottest of the hottest places, humans are there. We are lucky in Bangalore. We are in a garden city. Most luckiest persons on earth, I can say. Bangalore, we are saving ourselves.
True.
Humans can't survive anything.
Yes. So my next question is, are there any other activities running by you apart from nail-free trees to support the environment?
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I'm repeating my question. नेल फ्री ट्रीज के अलावा और कोई एक्टिविटीज हैं जो आप एनवायरनमेंट के लिए रन कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, madam. Actually, I'm been part of many organizations in Bangalore, like Citizens for Citizens, and Hasiru Mission is there. Hasiru means in Kannada it is green. Hasiru means Hasiru Mission. That is every year from June to November we plant trees with that associate with that team. And we have team Hasiru also is there in Bangalore, which is working for protecting and plantation of trees. Madam, one of the many number of NGOs present are in Delhi. I mean, in Bangalore, we have many NGOs which is working for different type of specifically on environment. So I am part of all those Bangalore environment groups. We have eco groups. We have Ploggers Army, which we have Mr. Plog Raj of India. They say he does what he does is simple thing. Every day he jogs. While jogging, he picks out the plastic and he puts it in the trash and he gives it to the BBMP administration. That is what is plogging. You might be knowing it. So he's doing that activities. I'm been in the Ploggers Army too and accompanied him. And we have different. We have the tree doctor of India. That is Mr. Vijay Nishant. He is in our Bangalore. He is the tree doctor. You can observe. You can just Google him out. I'm working with him also. He does the treatment to the trees. Whichever is dying, for that trees also he does treatment. He's the tree doctor of our country who is in Bangalore. We have n number of social concerned civic activists in our city, and being part of it, all those people, we all have come together and we are going to do it.
Great.
So it's a group of enthusiastic people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, great.
That's wonderful to know.
I wanted to ask one thing, that what other activities you do for tree maintenance? Like you said, tree doctor is there. Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, taking care of the trees. Yeah, existing trees.
Existing trees. That's what, madam. Right now, Mr. Vijay Nishant, what I told, he's doing a tree census. Basically, he's doing tree census. He's numbering the trees, how many trees we have, and what is its age based on its carbon footprint and something he does scientifically. He knows the age of the tree and what is the problem it is facing and how to treat it and all. Makes the medicines and he treats those trees. And we are doing survey also. And any surrounding, you might have observed that the cage will be there surrounding the trees, and we remove that also. Another team is there which is doing removing of the trees, and we have another team which is taking out the concrete surrounding the bottom of the tree, which doesn't have need water percolation doesn't happen. So some group is there to remove that concrete also. I'm being part of that team also. Ms. Satyavani is there. She's doing that activity. So protecting and saving is the first thing, and second thing is plantation. So all these two activities going simultaneously. Environment, there is nothing. Environment is only treatment. Tree.
After plantation, how do you see to it that the trees survive? क्योंकि ये होता है कि people go photos खिंचाते हैं and plantation करते हैं, and after 1 month you go and see there कुछ नहीं होता है.
It won't be there. Yeah, that is really a concern. That is, we know this. We 100% know this is what is going to happen, and we have rated the success rate. Like Hasiru Mission is there. With Hasiru Mission, we plant the trees every year. We plant around 1,000 trees. The success rate is always 30 to 40%. That is the maximum. We know that. But that is really important. The 30 to 40% is really important, because we always involve the locals where we are planting. And what we do is we take one kid also in the local place, and we assign the responsibility of the tree to that kids. What we say is, this tree is named by your name, and now this tree will be yours. We tell them to own it, so that on a positive competition, his friend's tree will grow faster. So what he does is he looks after the tree really well. At the same time, we have negative impact also. He might go and remove that his friend's tree also. That is also their case. But that is why we educate them. See, this is always, it should be a positive way we have to grow. We educate them. We tell them to take oath that I'm not going to harm other ones, and I'm going to make much higher growth than my friends. We take that, give them the oath also. We live. See, everything we have, there is a negative shade in everything, and we cannot. That negative is always very small thing. So we should negligible, and we should forget that. We should always concentrate on the bigger thing is positive.
आपने बोला success rate is 30 to 40%, but 30 to 40% is much bigger than zero actually. That we should focus on. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
That's true. It's a wonderful thing, sir, कि आप बच्चों को भी involve कर रहे हैं, because from the beginning, if they get the inspiration, then might be in a future we have a good generation who is much more sensitive towards the environment than the present generation.
Yes, ma'am. That is what is the future, because we do so many activities in our community. What we do is we create awareness on traffic signals and all. We keep the posters, placards holding you have to follow traffic rules and all. And we have planted, also we have done. We visit ashrams, we give foods for the old age and all. See, in all these cases, when we are there, that time only it is possible. See, like holding a placard in front of a traffic, do not cross the line and all. The people used to follow the rules. As soon as we are out of the sight, people break the law. We plant the trees. After we are gone, some people pluck out. We give the food for one time for an old age home. The next day they'll be foodless. See, all these activities are very temporary. We know that. Why? Because we are addicted to breaking the laws. Yes. Our generation, what we are right now, we are addicted to break the law. The only way is to educate the future generation. They should not know what is bad. If they know only good, so that will sustain. That is why we always involve our kids together. Wherein they doesn't know the bad things, they doesn't do the bad things.
So, including the kids you are doing, so that is going on the like on your own level, or आप schools को भी approach करते हैं इन कामों के लिए?
Right now there is no schools at all, so no question of schools right now due to COVID-19. Neighborhood kids, yes, of course we are involving.
And what are your future plans, sir?
Yes, madam. We have now, as we have told you, we have involved administration also. Our commissioner has, we have given a complaint to our commissioner, police commissioner, as well as BBMP commissioner. Now, what the police commissioner has done is they have sent out a letter to all the police stations in the limits, stating that whenever the team Bengaluru Hudugaru gives a complaint, you have to take it seriously and you have to act on that complaint. Instruction has been passed on to all the police stations. Now, wherever we go in whichever ward, we take a photograph on the tree, whoever number will be there, we are going to complain to the police station, respective ward police station. Then the police station will call to that number and they'll bring them to hand them, they'll call them, they'll be putting fine, and there'll be, if possible, there will be a jail term or whatever the legal action is there, they'll be taking it so that logical end happens. So now the future is we remove as well as we complain.
So police is the concerned department who is putting fine on the people?
BBMP. Jailing. See, it's both BBMP as well as police. Both are involved in it. We have given representative to BBMP commissioner also.
Okay, with that we end our questions. आपको और कुछ अगर कहना है, if you want to say something more, you are welcome.
Nothing, madam. Our India is a fantastic place. We are living in a fantastic generation because anything can be done with our generation right now, immediately. If all the youngsters take up one small thing and if they work on that for continuously sustainable, we can achieve anything in our country right now. That type of energetic, enthusiastic, creative, fantastic, fabulous youngsters we have right now, the whole energy should be channelized for the good causes, not for the bad causes. If that is channelized with some person, one single person in every city, we can transform our country like anything. The Abdul Kalam's vision we can really achieve. And this is the juncture we can do it. That is what all the youngsters has to take from this. I think you just decide one thing in your mind, you work on that sustainably, continuously, you can achieve.
And apart from the youth also, I think we need a good leaders to usher our path like you, to start some good stuff also. Because usually people have good n number of ideas in their mind, but they don't start with the initiatives or the first step, they don't take it.
True, madam. We have the greatest potential right now, and each and every potential has to be transformed, channelized. That's it is required. One person is required in every city. You can do wonders. You can do really wonders. And right now, I'm even tagging our Prime Minister also. Tomorrow we have Mann Ki Baat. I would request our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also in Twitter. I have requested him. You please tell in the Mann Ki Baat, nails free tree India. If he just says one word, our India trees will be completely nails free. Tomorrow we have the Mann Ki Baat.
Yes.
If he just gives one single statement, nails free tree India, how it could be.
Right.
Yes, sir, that's right. It can be done and it is achievable actually. It's a practical goal which can be done.
There is no country in the world. There is no country in the world that there is no nails in the trees, I presume, because I've asked in the different countries, my friends, everywhere it is there, it seems. So can India become nails-free tree?
Yes.
Is the big
I
question.
hope it can. It's not a question, sir. It has an answer that it can be done. And you, of course, you are doing, and other states are also joining it. So I'm hoping in the future, India will be a nail-free country and we'll see all the green trees around us.
Yes, ma'am. Hope. We have the wonderful hope.
Yes.
Sir.
हम लोग छोटा सा कुछ काम करते हैं समाज में जाके तो हमें लगता है कि हमने बहुत बड़ा कुछ अचीवमेंट कर लिया, और विनोद जी इतना सब कर रहे हैं एंड ही इज सेइंग कि आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर समबडी एल्स, आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर माय ओन लंग्स. This is the something which is actually we should take inside ourselves, कि हम लोग जब कह रहे हैं कि I'm doing something for this earth or I'm doing something for the environment, actually I'm doing it for myself only or for my future generations only. यस
That's true.
विनोद जी, आपने आज इतना समय निकाला और हमारे साथ ये इंटरेक्शन किया, बहुत ही एनर्जी मिली है आपके थॉट से। आपकी विजन और आपकी जो पॉजिटिविटी है उसको हम दोनों ने ले लिया है, एंड आई होप कि जो हमारा वीडियो देखेंगे जो लोग, वो भी बहुत ही प्रेरित होंगे आपसे। और जैसे आप निधि को कह रहे थे कि दिल्ली में आप ये ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, या मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ हमारे यहाँ स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, तो होपफुली हम भी ऐसा कुछ कदम उठाएं और उसमें आपकी हेल्प लगेगी, आपकी गाइडेंस लगेगी, तो आपको वापस हम लोग पोक करने वाले हैं इस चीज के लिए।
Sure.
तो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Uncommon. Thank you, Nidhi ma'am. Thank you, Prachi Thakur. Hope Delhi will be first city. Let us challenge it. Like, is it Bengaluru or Delhi, the first nail street tree?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Let's see. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.
ओके,
Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते।